You had a nice tactical find in this game. Let's review. Strong players throughout history have played this move. Garry Kasparov, Magnus Carlsen, Bobby Fischer, and you. A good response for players of all skill levels. Probably an overcommitment. This move left their pawn hanging. You captured a free pawn. They stopped the check by interposing a piece between your queen and their king. You allowed the opponent to force the loss of castling rights. Their best option was to force the loss of castling rights. This isn't a mistake, but there was something better for you. They bring out their knight, increasing their control over the center. You are bringing your knight into play, eyeing the central squares. This move prepares for their bishop to join the action. This pin holds their knight in place, tying it to the king. Your opponent reinforced the defense of their knight. You trade off equal material. Takes back. Your pawn is no longer hanging and is now defended. That's not a mistake, but they did not find the best move here. Castling kingside helps to complete your development. Their knight comes into play, supporting the center. You are bringing your bishop into play, eyeing the central squares. Queenside castling becomes available for your opponent here. Your knight is on its way to a stronger, more active position. That's playable. A knight in the center controls more squares. Decent move, but they had a better one. You attack a queen, winning a tempo when it moves away. They move the queen to safety. You kick the opposing knight with a pawn, forcing it away. This move gives you the opportunity to win their knight. Your best move was to capture a pawn that was threatening to win material. They are right on target. A logical capture. That's not a mistake, but they did not find the best move here. You win time by threatening a rook. The rook slips away as white avoids material loss. You are threatening to force eventual checkmate. You are now able to force eventual checkmate. Nice fork, you'll be winning material. That was the only move. Nice way to win material using a fork. That was the only move. You won material by capturing a queen.